Hello everybody. Today's video is going to be a super exciting video as I have a bunch of books here and I'm going to explain you one by one how each and every book helped my son in his communication development skills and his curiosity, his imagination, his vocabulary and his story making skills. So these books really helped my son a lot. So let's just begin the video and let's check out each and every book. So the first book we have is this Dear Zoo. It's a Lift the Flap book and it's by Rod Campbell. And this is really a very cute little story about a child who wrote to the zoo to send him a pet, and in response what all a zoo send him are behind these flaps like elephant and giraffe and this lion, all these kind of animals. So the zoo sent so many animals to him, but finally at last they send him a pet. Next one is this this is also a flap book. This is also a Lift the Flap book, and this is Zoom Zoom Baby. It's by Karen Katz, and it is a transportation themed book in which the child reveals the adorable animals inside a variety of vehicles like this bus and this aeroplane and a train. So this is nice and perfect book for a little one to practice like fine motor skills. Nice colors and illustrations are there in this book. Next up we have is this one. This is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. It is one of the famous books. It is a very different but a classic book, and this book is all about a life cycle of a caterpillar, and the caterpillar is very hungry through the story until it makes a cocoon and goes to sleep. This book teaches many things at the same time, like about the days in a week, and like on Monday he ate through an apple, and the colors, the fruit's name and the countings, so these kind of things, and various foods also. So this is really a very beautiful story. Next up is this book, and this is his favorite book right now, and it's by Jill McDonald and it's by Hello World brand. And this book is really a very lovely and a very simple and clear book, and it has really easy pictures which he can easily recognize, and he just memorized everything, like all the planets. He knows about all the planets now, and he loves all the pictures like these rockets, the stars, and it has some nice and big pictures also, and he just connects himself with all these things, so he loved this book. The next book is this one, Goodnight Moon. It's by Margaret Wise Brown, and this is an interesting book which has a green room. This is a different kind of story I have seen. It is all about a room in which a bunny is sleeping and he is saying goodnight to everything around, and this is a really loved bedtime book by my son. I like the simplicity of this book and the way they explained everything, like it's night time and now we have to sleep, the moon is coming up and all are just preparing to sleep. My son loves this book because it's a task for him to find out this mouse on every page, and a moon also, like this moon also, whether it came up or not. So next I have these 3 board book set, and these are like the first 100 animals, the numbers, colors and shapes, and first 100 words. So these are all about the first 100 animals, and these are the real pictures which he can connect like with the real world. And in this one it has the numbers, colors and shapes. In this book it has first 100 basic words like colors and vehicles and bath time, bedtime, food time, all about that. So These all books really helped my son a lot. This book is about the sound of animals, like who says moo. So we have to open this flap and the cow is behind that. So he loved this book also. Every flap book he loves. So this is really nice book. Thank you for watching my video, and just like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up.